Hello and welcome to the Selenium tutorial. Today I will discuss about Selenium locators. Earlier we have covered uh, topic about how to create Maven project with Selenium, and we have discussed what is Maven, how to create project in Maven, and then we have ran Maven project. Today I will discuss about the locator so that we can proceed how we can create a Selenium program in Java. So what are locators? Selenium locators are used to locate the elements of your web page that Selenium needs to interact with. So Selenium needs to interact with the web elements, and in order to interact with that particular web element, we need we Selenium actually utilize locators. So let me show you that how these locators work. So currently I am on wix.com website, and there is a Chrome uh, developer tool, uh, and it appears with F12. I have pressed F12, it disappears, and then I have pressed F12 again, and it started appearing again. So how can we locate? We can use this, and I have click on this get started button, and you can see that I am able to locate this get started button, right? So let's discuss that how many type of locators we have. We can locate any web element by ID, by name, by XPath, by the text it contains, and the element by using tool. There is a very informative website called Gru99. Here we have a complete topic about locators. So let's discuss how we can locate. So we can locate by ID. Here is an example that in facebook.com web page, if we inspect email or phone text box, you can see we can locate this particular web element by ID. Then in another website demo.gru99.com, we can locate username text box with name by name locator. So there are multiple examples in this page, but the most important uh, locator used uh, in daily practice is locating by XPath. So since I have located the web element already, so I can how I can generate XPath. I can right click on this locator and then copy XPath. There are multiple options available that you can copy selector, JS path, style, but I am interested in copy XPath. And then if I will see in Notepad, this is the XPath of this particular web element, and I can interact with this web element with XPath as well. So let's see how can uh, we locate with the help of using tool. So there are tools available by default in the browsers, like in Firefox web developer tool. How we can do that in Firefox? If I will click F12, you can see that there is a Firefox web developer tool available, and I can locate for example Firefox with the help of this inspector, right? And in Edge browser there is Microsoft Edge Dev tool. We can locate any web element with the help of this inspect tool. And last but not least, we have just seen that how there is a Chrome uh, developer tool. With the help of this built-in tool, we can locate any web element in this page. So these are the commonly used tools built in browsers. And last but not least, we will see our demo in which we will navigate to the wix.com, click on get started page, and then verify sign up text, right? So once since we already have covered that how we can write we can use this form.xml file and add dependency, right? And then I have created a Java file with the name Wix verification, in which I have navigated to the wix.com page. Now what I need to do, I need to actually click on this get started page, and prior to that I have to identify this get started button. So let's proceed. So we need to write this web element text, and then write the get started button. Since we already have this driver to drive our actions for browser, so I will write this driver dot. There are multiple methods available, and I am interested in find element. So I have select this find element by double clicking, and then I can use this by keyword, and you can see there are multiple options: by dot class name, by dot xpath, by dot id, which we have discussed earlier. So I am interested in by dot class name, and I need to define the class name here. So uh, let's see that the class name of this get started button is M317Z2. I will put this name here, and I need to put this semicolon here. Now I have located this particular get started button and created a, a web element with the name get started button, and I can utilize the get started button dot. What I can do with this web element, I can get text of this web element button, and I then click on this web uh, element. So because I have to cover get started button to click, and then uh, I have to see that if I will click on this get started button, it will redirect it to the another page in which I have this sign up text available. So how I can validate this, that I am navigated to this page, I have to verify if this sign up text is appearing here or not. So how I can validate? I can simply right click, inspect, and click on this. So let me so I can locate by clicking on this, and you can see here is the sign up text, and we have class sign up title. I need to copy this class name, and since I have to validate this text, so I have to create the web element uh, get is started heading equals to driver dot find element by dot class name double quotes, and the class name is sign up title. Since I have to validate the text, so I need to create a string get started heading text equals to get started heading dot get text. So it will actually take the text of this web element, and then it will store this the text in the variable get started text. Now I so my expected text of this page is sign up. So we need to declare another variable string expected get started page text equals to sign up. Now I have to validate that if the text which is appearing on the page matches with the sign up. So I have to write a code to validate if get started text dot contains the text what is expected text. This means this means that my if both texts will match, so my test will get passed. So I have to write system dot out dot println test is pass, and I also have to write else condition. So there is a shortcut. If I will write SOUT and press enter, it will write system.out.println for me and test is fail. And then I also have to write driver.quit command. So we have now done. Let's see that the program in action. Run Wix verification. I have just executed the code, run the program, and let's see how our code is executed. Okay, so this test is fail. Why? Because there is one problem with the Chrome version. Let me tell you that why it is failed, and I need to fix this problem. This problem basically appears due to the fact that in Selenium library, WebSocket issue is not actually it is expecting uh, location. So we need to enable it for multiple location, and we need to create one. We need to write a code. Uh, Actually, Sir Naveen proposed a solution for this, and we need to write that code. So what code we need to write? Let's Naveen Automation Lab for Selenium 111. Uh, so I was looking for the solution that Naveen Automation Labs actually have provided. I am very big fan of Sir Naveen and learned page object model by following his uh, tutorials. Last Friday I also came across with this issue, and then I have watched this video, and now I will provide you the solution that how we can write code for this. Okay, so we need to actually create Chrome options Chrome options, new Chrome options actually, new Chrome options, and then with this Chrome options we need to add arguments which actually enable Chrome to uh, resolve this particular issue. The issue is in WebSocket implementation, it fails to identify that from which location this request is coming from. So in order to resolve this issue, we need to add Chrome options and we need to write one argument. Uh, let's see that what this argument is. So this is the remote origin options which we need to utilize, uh, remote allow origins, and we need to write this code here in our example. So this is remote. So let's quickly see. Arguments are dash dash remote allow dash origins, dash dash remote remote dash allow dash origins, dash allow dash origin, and we need to pass on is equal to static. This is a switch to enable each request. So we need to pass this co here. So we need to write these two lines above this so that it can understand that what actually this U is. So let's try again to run this program. So this time I am expecting that it will work fine. Okay, so this time it fails again. So I have to save this program and build as well. Let's run this program again. Earlier the program was not running due to the fact that I forgot to add this s here in the arguments. So I have now add this s and run this program again and see our program in action. Now it navigated to the wix.com and click on sign up button, and now validating that if this sign up text is appearing in this page or not. Okay, it fails to find element. Welcome back to tutorial again. Actually, earlier code was not working due to the fact that the program has launched a new tab. Now a new piece of code has been added so that uh, it will handle the new tab. Okay, so let's see, and the rest of the program will work fine. It will validate the web page title, right? So let's run this program again. So program has launched the browser, navigated to the wix.com, and it has clicked on get started, and now it will validate sign up in this page. So let's wait until the sign up title on this page is validated. So now program has validated sign up, test is pass, so we are good to go. This is the expected started page text, and uh, the test is pass, and if we will change this expected page text, it will going to fail this program. Okay, so that's all from this is the demonstration. I have uploaded the project in GitHub with the name Maven project Wix sign up page verification. You can also get benefit of it. Thank you for watching. Take care.